Hey, Dana here. Welcome to my garage. Alright, I'm taking the 08 Dodge Calber over to the shop to finally get it inspected. This has been 2 weeks, I think, of trying to get this thing going. This has been the whole problem here. Not being able to get this to connect. And right now, monitor status. Let's reconnect. Get the auto link to reconnect. Hopefully this will straighten out. Freeze frame. And right now the monitor only has one thing, but of course it's green. Let's see. Let's go back in here. Vehicle information, or let's see. Back up. All right, vehicle tests in OBA monitor test. Wait a minute. No. Data links. Alright. Powertrain disconnect. We're good to go. Go back into my information. Let's go back down. Battery. Drive cycles. Nope. Oops, I blew it. I took myself completely out of my system here. Okay, at this point, all systems are go. So we're gonna see what the state computer says. See if I get a sticker on this thing. Stay tuned. Okay, success. It passed. Finally, with flying colors, and now we're good till March of 2002. So I can finally close this video on getting this ready for the road. I have the new tip-in here. I don't know if I'm gonna go ahead and put the old one in. Even if it doesn't read, I'm good for another year, and I can throw the other tip-in back in. I gotta throw the tip-in back in the compass. That'll be another project here. But I'm going to, because the compass needs a subframe, so I'm gonna be doing that probably after I got to get the Explorer running. Once I get the Explorer running, then I'm going to go ahead and bring the other 06 Escape in, because it needs its subframe done. So I think that's my project after the Escape, after getting the subframe done, because then I'll have my feet wet in doing subframes, and then I'll be able to go on to the compass and do that subframe. Subframe for a Escape is going to run about $210 for a used one. The compass subframe is like $119, $120 on eBay or Amazon. So I'm probably going to go that route. So Mother Nature's hitting us one more good time. You see, it's white out, and I'm almost at my driveway. Just come back from getting this 08 Dodge Calber inspected. See how I'm gonna skid down the road? Not really. Not too bad. Get my butt off the road. Alright, down my driveway. This all came down in less than freaking an hour. Let's see how bad we are. Okay, then finally parked this. That's the next thing to be inspected. I gotta get the glass repaired. Let's go in here for now. Alright, so I'm going to close this one up. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. You're going to catch me on the next in Crosby's Garage.